Hi, I'm Mark Cavanagh, the owner and manager of MC Electrical here in Brisbane. Thanks for stopping by my website. If you look around, you can check out our indicative solar panel pricing and our solar battery pricing. You can meet my team or check out my technical reviews over on my blog. But before you do that, give me a few minutes of your time and I'll share with you 5 things that we do to make sure your solar will perform better and last longer so you can save more money for many years to come. Okay, the first consideration is obviously the solar panel. Now you'd think that with solar panels you get what you pay for, but unfortunately it's not that simple. So for example, I used to promote SunPower panels as the best panels on the market. Now SunPower still sells a really expensive panel, but I'll be honest with you, I wouldn't touch them anymore. Their panel, in my opinion, is just a liability. And although I still rate Q-cells and REC solar panels as some of the best panels on the market, over the years we've rejected batches of Q-cells and REC panels because of build quality. Now unfortunately, panel quality is a moving target and I don't think that I can rely on a single brand to consistently pump out a quality panel. So we've visited multiple solar panel factories all around the world so we can better understand what to look for. We inspect our panels before we send them out to be installed on your home. But let's say you've chosen the correct panel to go with. Now remember, you've got a 25-year warranty on most solar panels, but only if your installers keep to a strict solar panel installation manual. Now for example, many panels can never be installed in partial shade. In fact, most panels can never be installed in partial shade. Most panels can't be installed on low-pitched roofs, like say for example at below 5 degrees. And most solar installers ignore wind and exclusion zones and clamping zones. So we'll help you choose the right panel and we'll install it so your warranty is valid if you ever need to claim it. Next, let's talk about inverters. I've spent 14 years installing solar and I've tested countless inverters and wrote technical reviews about my findings. Now, as a result, we now only install Fronius inverters. Fronius is just leagues ahead of any other string inverter and it's better than any microinverter or optimizer system that you might find on the market. Now you can watch my videos and read my blogs if you want to go down that rabbit hole. But it's not just about getting any turkey to plonk a Fronius inverter on your garage wall. Correct solar design has a big part to play in an efficient and a reliable solar system. So we don't want to see current clipping on that inverter, and we need to optimize the voltage windows. We don't want the inverter to overheat or the warranty to be void because of poor installation choices. Inverter choice coupled with correct solar design is absolutely crucial. Now my third point is a point that nobody seems to talk about, and to be honest, it's really hard to quantify. It's all those other components that make up the solar system. The rack, the rail, the nuts and the bolts, the cable and the conduits and the circuit breakers. It would be really easy for me to save a fair bit of money by choosing cheaper components, but your system would be more likely to have issues down the track. We always pick the highest quality components. I want your system to last well past its warranty period. Okay, my fourth point is a huge one. It's the blokes on your roof. We don't subcontract any of our work out. All of our installers are long-term in-house employees. In fact, all of our electricians, bar one, did their apprenticeship right here at MC Electrical. Most of our apprentices are mature age and several hold other trades like carpentry. They understand quality, they understand solar, and they work to a higher standard. In their words, they do solar the MC way. And last, but probably the most important point, is after-sales service. Now don't go with the cheapest cowboy in town. Businesses with no profit margin cut corners and they never stay in business. The industry even has a term for a customer whose solar installation company has gone bust. We call them solar orphans. No company wants to take responsibility for a solar orphan's solar. Remember, your products and your installation all have lengthy warranties and you'll want your installer to be around should there be a need to honour your warranty. We've been in business for over 14 years and I'm building the business to keep it in my family and hand it down to my kids. Drop into my showroom and I'll show you around. Check out our reviews online and decide for yourself if we're the type of company that will be around long term. Now, go on and have a read of my blogs, check out my team, and maybe check out our solar pricing. And if you're in Brisbane or if you're in southeast Queensland, fill out that form on the Get a Quote page and we'll get your solar sorted. You won't regret it.